In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable and enable two-factor authentication on Mailchimp. As more of our lives and businesses move online, keeping your accounts secure is no longer optional. It's essential. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, is one of the best ways to protect your account from unauthorized access. It adds an extra layer of security by requiring not just your password, but also a second form of verification, like a code sent to your phone or generated by an app. Whether you're enabling it for the first time or need to make changes, I'll guide you through the entire process, step by step, to ensure your account stays safe and secure. Let's get started. First, head over to Mailchimp.com and log into your account. Once you've entered your credentials and are logged in, you'll want to locate your profile icon. You'll find it in the top right corner of the screen. It's usually represented by your profile picture or initials. Click on that icon to open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Account and Billing. This will redirect you to a new page that houses all the settings related to your Mailchimp account. Here, you'll find everything from payment details to security options. Next, navigate to the Settings tab. Once you're in the Settings section, look for Security and click on it. This is where all the magic happens. It's where you can manage two-factor authentication and other security measures for your account. Now, scroll down until you see the two-factor authentication section. If you're enabling it for the first time, you'll see an Enable button. Go ahead and click on that button to begin the setup process. At this point, Mailchimp will ask you to choose your preferred method of authentication. You have two options: SMS authentication or an authenticator app. If you choose SMS authentication, you'll need to enter your phone number. Make sure it's a number you always have access to, as this is where Mailchimp will send your verification codes. Once you've entered your phone number, follow the prompts to complete the setup. Mailchimp will typically send a test code to ensure everything is working properly. If you opt for an authenticator app, you'll need to open the app of your choice. Popular options include Google Authenticator, Authy, or Microsoft Authenticator. Once you've opened the app, scan the QR code displayed on your screen. After scanning, the app will generate a code that you'll need to enter into Mailchimp to verify the connection. Follow the instructions provided, and you'll be all set. Once your preferred method is set up, Mailchimp will provide you with a set of backup codes. These are incredibly important, so don't skip this step. Backup codes are your safety net in case you lose access to your phone or authenticator app. Save them in a secure location, somewhere other than your phone or email, such as a password manager or a physical document stored safely. Now, let's talk about disabling or reconfiguring two-factor authentication. If you ever need to make changes, head back to the Security section under Settings. Instead of Enable, you'll now see options to reconfigure or disable two-factor authentication. Click Reconfigure if you want to switch to a different method, like changing from SMS to an authenticator app or vice versa. Follow the prompts to update your settings. If you decide to disable two-factor authentication entirely, be aware that this will remove the extra layer of security from your account, so proceed with caution. And that's it. Whether you're enabling, updating, or disabling two-factor authentication, the process is straightforward once you know where to go and what to do. Keeping your Mailchimp account secure is vital, especially if you use it for managing campaigns, email lists, or other sensitive data. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.